Welcome. In this video, I'll be guiding you step by step on how to find all your saved audio files on the Telegram app using the latest update on PC. If you've ever saved voice messages, songs, or audio clips and later couldn't remember where they were, this quick guide will help you locate them with ease. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're signed in so everything is synced with your account. Once the app is running, go to the search bar at the top of the screen and type in Saved Messages. This is a private cloud chat only you can access, and it's where all the files you've forwarded or saved are stored. When you see saved messages appear in the results, click on it to open the chat. Inside, you'll find everything you've chosen to save: messages, photos, documents, and of course, audio files. But instead of scrolling endlessly to look for them, Telegram has made it much easier with the newest update. At the top of the chat window, click on the name Saved Messages. A new menu will open that organizes all your content into categories. From here, select the section labeled Audio Files. This will instantly show you every audio file you've saved in one organized place, no matter how long ago you stored it. You can scroll through the list, play them directly, or download them to your computer if you'd like to keep them offline. This simple method saves time and makes it so much easier to manage your files without needing to dig through conversations. Whether you're trying to find a specific song, a forwarded voice note, or any other audio clip, they'll all be available in one single tab. And that's it. You've just learned how to find all your saved audio files on Telegram with the new update on PC. Now you can always access your favorite recordings in seconds, neatly organized and ready to play whenever you need them.